I'm showing a presentation on the discrete math Folker theorem. The conjecture was the first proposed on October 23, 1852, when Francis Guthrie were tried to color the map of quantities of the England. Notice that only four different colors were needed. The four-color theorem was provided in 1976 by Kenneth Appel and Wolfgang Heck. It was the first major theorem to be provided using a computer. Color theorem or the four-color map theorem states that given any separation of the plane into continuous a state in a which two or more physical objects and physically touching one another, or in which section of the plane border and the another region, producing a figure called a map. No more than four color and required to color the region of map so that no two agents region have the same color. Circular graph is a graph that consists of a single circle or in other words some number of vertices at least three connected in a closed chain. The circle graph which n vertex is called Cn. The number of vertices in Cn equal to the number of edges, and every vertex has degree 2 that is that that is every vertex has exactly two edges as incident with it. Number of vertices in circle graph is even. The then its chromatic number equal to 2. If number of vertices in a circle graph is a odd, then its chromatic number equal to 3. A wheel graph is a graph formed by connecting a single universal vertex to all vertices of a circle. For odd value of n, wn is a perfect graph which a chromatic number is 3. The vertex of the circle n can be given two colors and the center vertex given a third colors. For even n, wn has chromatic number is 4. Complete graph. A complete graph is a graph in which every two distinct vertices and joined by the exactly one edge. In a complete graph, each vertex is a connecting with every other vertex. So the properly it's as many different colors are needed as there are number of vertex in the given graph. Chromatic number of any complete graph equal to number of vertex in that complete graphs. Chromatic number graph bar by party two set of vertex x and y. The edges only join vertex in x to vertex of in y, not vertex within a set. Chromatic number of any bipartite graph equal to 2. A tree is a special type of connecting graph in which there are no circuit. Every three is a bipartite graph. So chromatic number of a three with any number of vertex equal to 2. Chromatic number of any tree equal to 2.